Hello everybody, welcome to another video that we're going to go over and look at the market analysis for this coming week. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Black Forex Academy. In this channel, we do break down currency pairs that I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for the week. So if that sounds interesting, go ahead and subscribe. So with that being said, we are looking at the dollar index as the first pair. We can see it's in a clear downtrend in this 4-hour perspective. And now prices, we can see they have tapped this some kind of a support. Let's go ahead and look where it came from on the daily. Okay, so it looks like it goes higher than that. Okay, so it is from the weekly perspective. So you can see from the weekly perspective, we have this very strong structure that was created since 2023. It actually goes further than that. Since 2022, it has been respected. And then recently, prices broke above that. After the elections and all that, prices got the strong momentum to break above. And then now it looks like we're having a retest on it. So obviously, I do anticipate to see prices keep on pushing higher in the long term on the US dollar. However, currently, we can actually see that prices in a downtrend, especially when you look at it from this 4-hour perspective. Now, what am I going to anticipate? Because prices have obviously reached on this structure. Now, for me to be bullish, obviously the trend has to change, meaning I will not be looking for any buys until prices break above this structure here. Now, once prices break above this structure, I will then be looking for a retest to continue with the bullish trend, right? However, right now, before prices break above this, I will continue following the trend, which is a bearish trend. So obviously, you have to always go with the trend while trading. So obviously, right now, we can see the trend is bearish. So now, should prices retrace and retest this structure here, I will be looking for some kind of a day trade to actually sell and continue with this trend. However, should prices reach here and they still have a strong bullish momentum and manage to break above here, obviously I will be looking for bullish continuations in this particular scenario. So that's my view. Long term, I am bullish biased. However, in this short term, I will be looking for some kind of a minor continuation. And the reason for that is because you can actually see the momentum on the weekly. It is crazy bearish, very, very bearish. You can't just kill this momentum and expect to get a counter trade. It doesn't work like that. The momentum has to slow down, the momentum has to die off before it reverses. And right now it's crazy bearish. That is why I actually believe we might see some kind of a counter trade right here. It might create a reversal pattern just to kill off the momentum. And some of the reversal patterns are like, we might see some kind of a double bottom and then prices break, right? We might see some kind of a triple bottom and then prices break. Might see a head and shoulders inverted head and shoulders, right? And then prices break. So these are just some of the patterns that we might see to kill off the momentum and create a reversal pattern before going back up. So yeah, we'll see what the market will be doing and we will act accordingly. If you want to see more on what's going on, I do post lower time frame analysis on my free Telegram that's linked in the description. Be sure to join if you want to get more updates on it. Now, with that being said, how will this be impacting the other US dollar pairs? We do have GBP USD, and we can see it's also on a resistance structure, as we do know that it's inversely correlated to the dollar. So we might be seeing some kind of a reversal before you get that, right? We do have Euro USD. Okay, it's kind of with Euro USD. We might also be seeing some kind of a reversal here too before we get that. So that's what I'm really focused on, seeing how it will actually be playing out. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Now, we also have another index that we do look at in our trading. That's JPY-X, or the Japanese yen index, as it also influences the movement of a lot of Japanese pairs, such as Euro JPY, CAD JPY. We do have USD JPY. So we can also see that in this index, prices are also bearish from the 4-hour perspective, obviously. And we do have that, right? Now, one thing to keep in mind is that JPY-X and DXY are always inversely correlated. Now, if you see one index or both of the indices are going in the same direction, just understand that one of them is going to reverse very soon, and so that they can actually continue being inversely correlated. However, currently you can see they're both in bearish trends. So what are we going to do? We're obviously going to follow the structure. That's always the best answer. Don't overcomplicate trading, guys. Just follow the trend. If you lose, you lose. But if you win more than you lost. So you make back what you lost and some. So just follow the trend. If a structure is broken, it is broken. Don't start doing mojo like, no, but, no, follow the trend, follow the structure. Here, the trend is bearish. The structure has been broken. What are we looking at? A bearish trend and a support structure has been broken, turned into a resistance. Obviously, we're going to continue bearish. So that's what I'm anticipating. And how will this be impacting the other currency pairs, such as Euro JPY? Prices have already broken above here. So obviously, a nice little retest and a continuation should, right? And also on CAD JPY, on CAD JPY, it's still a bit shady. We can see the trend is still kind of bearish as prices created a high, low, uh, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then prices started creating some kind of a range, but it's a bullish range in here. I don't like the way it's staying. I don't like the way it's sitting. It's not a clear trend. It's some kind of a range. I don't trend ranges because they have low movements and you can easily be stopped out. So I'm not really going to be focusing on this. However, you can see the range, it's also kind of bullish. So yeah, let's see how it will play out. If it creates a clear trend, a clear structure, then we will be coming back to it. Now, we do also have USD JPY, also still in a range. Obviously, understandably why, because USD and JPY, they're still moving in the same direction. So obviously it will confuse, or it won't really create a significant movement on the USD JPY, and that is why you can see it has been ranging since about 16th of January. So obviously, once one returns to its original trend, or once they go back to being inversely correlated, then we will see what's really going on, and this will actually create a trend. So let's go to our final pair, gold, and see what's up with it. Oof, look at that. It's a crazy bullish trade, crazy bullish trend. Prices just going, break structure, retest, continuation. Here we didn't even get a we didn't even get a retest, it just pumped. Like there was another trade here. Break, retest, continuation. Somewhere here. But the stop loss was too big, right? Yeah, so it's crazy. We didn't get a retest here, kept on pumping. What should we be anticipating next? Prices to retest here and then keep on pumping, obviously. So let's see how it will go. bullish biased, obviously, because we can see the trend, it's crazy bullish. Nobody can argue with that. The trend is crazy bullish and it's very steep, so it has a lot of momentum. So I will be anticipating to see a retest here and a bullish continuation. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video has been of value. If so, consider subscribing, giving us a like, comment your biggest takeaway, and let's have the best possible trading week. Till then, I appreciate you. I'll see you next time. Cheers.